And do you think LinkedIn works for affiliates?
To use it to drive revenue as an affiliate? It depends. It can, yeah. If it's like a SaaS, or absolutely can. It depends though how well they convert, how well the landing page converts of the SaaS or the software. So you can try it. It may or may not work. The traffic is in general is pretty cost effective. It can be, maybe as low as 50 cents a click up to like $2 a click. But when you get above $1 a click, you start getting into danger zone of losing money, of it not being profitable. So it's really important to have compelling ads and really good targeting. But every targeting parameter on LinkedIn has a different rate, right? A different CPM rate. So some targeting, like CEOs or CIOs or marketing directors, in different industries, they're all going to have a different, every audience you target will have a different cost. So you have to experiment a lot with where you can get the traffic cheaply enough to make it work. But yeah, it can work. It can certainly work. You can also tap into LinkedIn people or LinkedIn influencers, just their organic posting ability, getting affiliates that are LinkedIn influencers or have a decent sized audience. They don't have to be influencers, because I don't think influencers are that, there's not that many of them, to be honest. They're just not, there's just not a lot of them. But there are a lot of medium sized people that you can go approach in a certain, like, let's say you have a sales tool, like for sales industry, you get some people with a lot of salespeople following them. And like a sales industry influencer, go bring in 10 or 20 of those, and that could be a great affiliate program, source for you, affiliate channel source. But it has to convert. They have to make money. Sometimes you have to throw money at them and say, hey, if you become our affiliate, we'll give you, a $250 bonus if you do something for us, plus 20% commission on all the paid upgrades. So you got to kind of, a lot of times affiliates, they don't, or just they don't want to hear that affiliate crap. Like, you have to make it almost sound not like an affiliate program to think. They may not just think they're going to make any money. So that's why affiliate recruiting is so difficult, because affiliate marketing, it doesn't, I don't want to say it doesn't have a good reputation, but for a lot of people that try it and they don't make money, they think it's just horrible. They think it's terrible. So if you approach someone that tried to be an affiliate before and didn't make any money, they'll be like, oh, I don't like affiliate programs. They don't work. So, but wait, ours is different. Well, first, we're going to pay you guaranteed money. And then, we convert better and we have a better process and we pay more money. And, you have to have all your selling points, on point. And then you'll have an easier time recruiting affiliates and retaining them if you do it with a strategy, the recruiting thing and the management thing with an actual strategy. It'll be more successful.
Okay, thank you. Very insightful.